Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make cream in egg white step by step. Separate the whites and keep bowls spotless to avoid grease. Whip on medium speed until soft peaks form, then increase speed to reach stiff peaks. Gradually add sugar or stabilizer while whipping. Gently fold in flavorings or cream components to preserve air. Chill briefly before shaping or using to maintain texture and glossy finish in desserts. Gather your tools and prep ingredients before you start whipping. A cold metal bowl and a reliable mixer make creating stable egg white cream much easier. Measure sugar or cream carefully and have a spatula ready for folding. Ensure no yolk or oil contacts the whites to prevent deflation. Room temperature whites whip faster and yield more volume, so plan ahead for smoother, quicker results while keeping everything tidy and ready. Begin whipping and watch the transformation from foam to soft peaks with patience. Gradually add sugar when soft peaks appear, then increase speed to form glossy stiff peaks that hold shape. If adding cream or flavorings, fold gently using a spatula with sweeping motions to preserve volume. Test peaks by turning the bowl slightly to ensure stability. Chill briefly to help set the structure before piping, spreading, or using in your dessert.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.